These little trees a healthy sight. Steam them lightly or in a stew. Broccoli's good for me and you. These in a pod so round and green. A tasty treat, the best I've seen. Add them to soup or eat them plain. These are delicious again and again. Tomatoes red and juicy too. They're good for me and good for you. Slice them up for a tasty snack. Tomatoes add color, that's a fact.